we will bring 3 coaches from Italy that they work directly in the Juventus FC Torino, because we want to bring you the Italian methodology, the Juventus methodology. That is the best way to teach you to learn everybody soccer. That is the most important thing, and of course to give the 200% in this upcoming event.
What we love and what we want from the coaching is the way. All the technical aspect, situational part, all the technical tactical aspect in the soccer are the same. Our goal is always the way, is the passion, is the how you're gonna train the kids.
The focus of this camp is select the best player to do a final tryout with us in Miami, in Florida, with other players that we are going to select in other cities. The best player is going to be selected to do the Juventus residency program in Italy. That is 1-year program in Italy. This player live, eat, study in Italy in a Juventus facility, and is going obviously to play soccer for 1 year. So he's going to get a full scholarship for this program. So we are talking about a big opportunity for these kind of players.
I'm very excited to go to McAllen 5-9 June, ready to train all of you guys and to pick one, the best player. I'm ready. See you there.